All right, guys, welcome back. Welcome back. So this one, I think I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger so everybody can see. It says select the next two numbers that come next in the sequence of the numbers below. 5, 10, 11, 22, 23. What two numbers go there? What's the pattern?
So I'm just going with A. So the pattern is 5, then
double the number, then add 1.
5 plus 1 is
by 2 and then add 1.
2 plus 1, 22, 24, 46.
One person, guys, one person. Miller, go ahead, start over. One person. Yeah, go ahead, because it's kind of confusing.
So 5, I'll give you 10, and you add 1 to get 11. 11 plus 11, 22, add 1 to get 23. 23 plus 23 to get 40, plus 1 to
I'm done.
I agree.
There's a problem.
All right, so for 22 now, it says the number in each diagram below follow the same. They follow the same rule, guys. Use the number in each diagram below follow the same rule.
Oh, sir, I
First three
understand that.
diagrams to find the missing number in the fourth diagram. So your job is to find the missing one in the fourth diagram. Let me see.
For both of them?
times 6, 3 times 8, 10, 3, 18.
Sir, it's 12. If 12 is there, so you can scroll down.
All right, so guys, you see the pattern, right? 2, 3, 6.
Yes, sir. You must.
1, 3, 3. 6, 3, 18.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 5 4s 20. 0 time. Yeah. 4 3s 12. 3 5.
15.
Yeah.
And 6 was 6, and 6 times 2 is 12.
Very good. Very good.
Sir,
Guys
that
are
was the second spot.
so it will be 6 times 2, which is 12. And then, of course, 12 times 6 give it a 17. All right, good job, good job. So guys, we might go through this one a little bit faster. All right, observe for 23, guys. Observe the puzzle below and then give the value of the
12 subtract 30 is 28. 28 divided by 2 is 14. So yes. 14 plus 26.
So figure it out, guys, and let me know what you guys think would be the answer.
6, sir. 6. 6.
6?
Sir.
How you get 6? How you get 6?
Sir, I got 5.
5? How you got 5?
Sir, who I got says I checked that the second row, sir, that says 26. So the black one is 12, the heart is 8, and the not sure what that is, but it's 6.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. All right, so let's see if it's solid. So you're saying this is 12, this is 12, so we add it and you get 36. So,
and that's
you know, you say this is 12. The art is what, 8?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's what the
So 8, so this would be 6. So let's test if this would be 30. If the art is 8, this means 8 plus 12 plus 8. 8 and 8, 16 and 12, 28.
Right.
So are we saying it's correct? Would be correct though.
Maybe it's 9 then. Maybe we could just go with 9.
The heart is supposed to be 9, sir.
The heart is 9.
9.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So,
So if the heart is 9, what would this make? 5.
9, 18.
So 9, 12 and that 21 plus 5.
Minus 5.
Right, let us check it now. 9 and 9, 18 plus that would give you the 30, right? So it's 5. In this case, guys, you could use trial and error. In some cases, it's come harder than this. This one wasn't so bad. It's actually 5.
So can I do that one?
Alright, go ahead.
sir. Wait, sir, remember a boy told you this question? A couple of 8 sons and each has 1 sister. Remember? A
Black
boy
bar,
and
yeah.
son.
A couple has 8 sons, and each has 1 sister in total. How many children does the couple have?
9, sir.
I'm sticking with the 9.
9.
9, sir.
Yeah. So they have 8 sons and 1 sister. Alright. Yeah, it's the same sister.
It means, sir, they have 8 sons and 1 daughter.
Yeah, yeah.
Sir.
That's super.
This one, what I was talking about is the other day.
Sir.
Wait,
It
but
says,
sir,
look, sir.
He was doing
Sir, it says a couple of 8 sons, and each of the sons have 1 sister.
sir, it says each has 1 sister.
You guys are still not seeing the 9, though. I know.
Nobody would.
Sir, and you
Sir,
said
I am
each has
seeing the
1
9,
sister.
sir, because each means 1.
Yeah. So each one of them have 1 sister.
Yes, sir.
Wouldn't
Well,
that be correct? Remember, you know, guys, why I know
Sir, it says each has 1 sister in total.
16, sir.
no man, it's 9. Couldn't be 16. Alright,
Yes,
think
sir, I
about it.
agree
If
with
you
you that
had
it's
8
9.
if you had 7 brothers, right? If you had 7 brothers, remember, you know, it's a couple has 8 and each has 1 sister. It's the same.
So you remember when the boy asked us this question?
Yeah,
Yes,
Rafa.
Rafa. Sir, they share the same sister.
That is
Yes,
it.
sir, that's how it
Same
goes,
sister,
sir.
because this is a couple. Alright? It's correct, man. I'm sticking with the 9.
That's how you?
I don't understand all this, sir.
Think about it. If your mother had 8 boys and you had 1 sister, each of the sons would have 1 sister.
Oh.
Yeah. The question, the trick here, everybody's gonna say 8 plus 1, 8 plus 1.
Hey.
So in total, it should be 8 sisters.
Those sides 9, sir. That's what I got.
Yeah, I agree with the 9. I'm not gonna go any further with. I think it's 9. Only if God come down and says 16, I will say. All right, 25. Which is the heaviest? A ton of rock, a ton of salt, or a ton
Sir,
of
none of
vinegar?
them.
The rock.
Yeah, that question is bad. No, like.
Salt, sir.
No, sir, salt.
No.
None of
Sir,
them.
none of them.
Right. Look at what they say.
Rock is heavy. Sir, it's a rock
What's
is
the
not
weight
heavy.
of
A
each one
salt
of them? They gave us the weight.
Because of the thunder, sir.
Guys, it's 1 ton. That means all of them weigh the same amount.
Yeah.
Alright? It's 1
All
ton.
of them weigh
All
the
of
same
them have the same weight.
because all of them is one.
No, it's D,
All
guys.
of them is the same.
I think you guys are not listening, you know, guys. I'm giving you the reason. A ton is a ton. It doesn't matter if it's a block cement, it's just a ton. Just like 1 pound of flour. All right, 1 pound of flour and 1 pound of cornmeal, which is heavier?
None of them.
None of them is the same weight. All right, so that's why I said none of them, guys. All of them weigh the same weight.
It's the same amount of each of them, so they're not.
Yeah,
going
it's
to
a
be
ton.
more.
So guys, you have to look because they can be tricky. All right. A woman buys a dog for $600. She sells it for $700. She then buy back the same dog for $800 and she sells the dog again for $900. In the end, what can we conclude about this woman?
She
Had
had
a
a
profit.
She had a profit.
Had a
Sir,
profit.
D,
Had a
D, sir.
profit. She had a profit.
All right, let us see.
Got a profit.
Sir,
Let us see, guys. Let's test it. So we are going to look at what she spent versus what she gained. So we can look at it that way. So she spent 600, right?
Yes, sir.
Gain 700. Then she spent 800. Gain 900. Hey, 8 and 6.
Sir, they add 100 each time.
14, sir.
1,400.
another 400.
And this one now.
9 and
That's 16. She gained a profit.
Sir, 1,000.
Yeah, got it.
Yay!
Have a profit, guys, because each time she made $100 on her money. So the deal done, and she spent again, so she make $100 each time. That's a nice question, though. I like it. Because
And
it's
maybe
realistic,
that
and you
makes
can
me stop
reason
spending.
that out.
I have that book.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. So you guys should be able to tell me the answer right away. The numbers in each diagram below follow the same. Use the first two diagrams to help you find the missing number in the third.
So it looks like it is like you multiply first and then you just add one. Just
Oh,
like it
that
is
is true.
No, but look at
That's
48
one.
and 24.
Look at number 2.
Look at
Exactly.
the second one. Oh.
And the third one.
Yeah, what you did to get the answer?
Maybe.
Sir?
Hmm?
So I'm lost right now.
I'm
E goes into 45.
I'm trying to figure out the pattern myself because I don't see it.
I don't see any pattern.
Neither.
Sir, probably them. Sir, what is 5 eighths? 40, right?
40, yeah.
And then minus
3 and 3.
what the heck? I don't understand. I kind of confused.
Exactly.
But you're tired,
Because I
man.
was thinking about like dividing
I
and
think
it
it
still
can be
didn't work.
done. It can be done. I'm trying to look at it
Sir, probably
myself.
in times it find what? Seriously, I don't know.
The numbers in each below follow the same rule. Use the first diagram.
Yeah, first one to get
21, 4 and 9. 21, 4 and 9. And then 24, 40 and 8.
you times 24 don't be a 40. You get divided by 4. I get 24, that's what you have. After that, 1. So if you divide 4 by 21.
Oh wait, I found it.
All right, go ahead.
Wait, hold up. I think I understand.
Come on, tell us what you think. Because I'm not seeing it as yet myself.
Oh, sir, 5 4 is 20, and then they add 1. And 5 8 is 40, and then minus, hey, minus.
But it have to be the same pattern, you know?
Sir,
That's not supposed.
step, again, add
36 is 6.
Sir,
Hmm?
can I explain?
Yeah, man. Of course. You know I love that.
Sir, okay, sir. So the number at the top is 21, and the first digit, which is 1 plus 4, gives you 5.
Okay.
The 24
They
at
have
the top,
anything. I
Guys, somebody interrupting. Hold on. Guys, we don't do it like that. One person is talking. So we're gonna give her the opportunity to complete and then if your background noisy, guys, please mute your background. Please mute your mic, alright? So we can hear. Go ahead.
and the second example, there's 24 at the top, and there's 40 on the left. There isn't a first place. There isn't the first digit, the ones place digit. So you have to go to the 10th place. So you add the 4 plus the 4, which gives you 8. And for the next one, the 0 plus the 6 gives you back 6.
Some reason I don't think I'll find.
Sir, I'm still confused.
Sir, can I explain?
Alright. Killian,
Okay.
go ahead.
Okay. First you add 4 at 21 and you get 25, and then you divide that by 5. And then add 40 and 24, which is 64, and you divide that by 8, and you'll get 8 again. You basically add them. You basically just take square numbers at this whole thing.
Sir, I did this test in school, sir, and the teacher said it's something to do with square roots.
Yeah.
Something is wrong.
Sir.
Sir,
So if you
sir, I think it's going to be 4, sir.
add 60 and 20, you get
36.
36. Divide and then divide that.
Sir, the answer is 6.
So if
It's
that's the
6.
case, it would be 6.
Exactly.
Yes, sir, the sir's answer is 6.
But it's not, it wouldn't be true for the first one because look, you guys are saying add the first two numbers. Oh, yeah. Hold on. Yeah, it is.
Four.
Sir, can I explain?
21 plus
Sir,
4,
four.
that's 25. You find the square root, which is 5. This plus this give you 64. Oh, I forgot, may I use my finger upon the screen? This plus this is 25. And then you find the square root, which is 5. This plus this 64. You find the square root, which is 8. 20 plus this 36. So it's actually 6.
B.
So it's B.
Let's go.
Why they didn't put the square root number at the top?
I don't know. To make it.
They want to confuse us.
Why that's I think if they had put the 5 up the top, then it probably they want to make it as difficult as possible. But I guess that's the because I think if they had done that, it would have been much easier, and it made more sense too.
1 times 5 is 25, and 4.
Yeah, it's square root. It's square root. So you add them, and then you find the square root. So you add the 2 on the top and the 1 on the left. So you add it like that, guys. And then you find the square root. So when you add this,
the two side numbers.
yeah, you get 64. So when you get 64, when you get 64 now, you find the square root. So then you would add these two, which give you 36. Which number multiplied by itself give you 36? 6. Somebody
Sir,
watching
square the number on this on the right hand side and add the number on the left and not the top.
Hmm?
Sir, square the number on the right hand side and add the left number with the top number.
I'm not following.
Sir, the square of 5, if the square of 5 is 25 and 4 plus 21 equals 25. The square of 8 is 64 and 4 plus 24 equals 64. The square of
Oh, you
6
repeat what we
is
did.
36 and 20 plus 16 is 36.
Oh, yeah, man. That's what we did. That's what we did. I don't think they should structure it. I think they should put the square number at the top. Guys, if you're watching TV or something, you can please turn it off. This is the one that I do 28. I do not like 20.
Sir, I saw it.
Oh, I see this question though. Mostly, I see this question.
Yeah, man, go ahead. I'm hearing.
Sir, can I ask you that question, sir?
Yeah, man, go ahead.
Sir, when is class going to end again?
Oh, God. We said 12, but if we can go a little bit over if it's not a problem.
So please.
Say A.
All
Sir,
right.
28. It is
What
A.
you guys for 28? A die is shown thrice, and its 3 positions are given below. Which letter is opposite to F?
A, sir.
A, sir. Yes, sir.
I don't do so well with these, you know, guys. I swear.
C, B, P, dot.
Mostly. That's gonna be easy for all of us. It's going to be A
A,
because
sir.
when for the first dice sees
Sir,
at the
I
start,
have the book. You can
So-
find it by looking at the second dice.
Oh,
because B and F's at the top.
True.
They could be either because B is at the top and F's at the front. So it must be A because we're not seeing it. And like we can see A, but we don't see F. That's not. I'm not explaining.
yeah. That's the true, you know. It have to be A in I think, because look, guys, here you have A, see you have the D right here, so that means that it actually on the same
I
side.
believe
And see, they give us F here, so that means it's the C and the B, so it can't be these because these are not opposite to the F. You see?
So it must be A.
Yeah, it must be A. I think I finally kind of have an idea of to figure that them because I was saying what the hell, but yeah, I think I figured out. Oh no,
Yeah.
because Kira said it that way. I think I figured out how I can figure out all of those things. It's actually easy. All right, 29. David had a platter of cookies.
Exactly.
He ate 6 of them and then gave his sister 2. He then handed them to the volleyball team of 8 members. The first player to arrive took 1, second player took 3, third player took 5, and so on. When the last player took his, there were only 1 left in the platter. How many cookies did David start with?
Reverse.
third year.
So it might be his son because if it was Sir, he would be talking right now as he was starting recording.
Yeah, I'm back, guys. I'm back. Sorry about that. I think I know what's happening. You know. Whenever the signal drops, it kind of, you know. All right, for this one, guys, it says David had a platter of cookies. He ate 6 of them, and then he gave his sister 2. He then handed them to the volleyball team of 8. first player took 1. Second player took 3. Third player took 5. And so on. The last player took his. When he left that, 1 did left. How many did he have to begin?
Sir, all of them I get 26.
26 again?
Yes, sir, add all of
But that's not an
Exactly.
option.
something.
Right, we go cheat together. Because I realize you guys are a bit tired. That's why I don't try to go over this.
No,
I have been sick all weekend.
Check.
sir, can I explain? I got
Yeah, Mila, go ahead. Share with us.
So it says it has 1 left, so we add 1, and the first player took 5, so that goes 6. The second player took 3. Now we're going to make 9. And the first player took 1, so they're gonna be 10. And he gave his sister 2, so they're gonna make 12. And 12 plus 6, that's going to give you 17.
Oh, you got 17.
Wait, let me see.
Alright. What about
Wait.
the others? Everybody agreed 17?
Wait. Can I count that back again?
No,
Wait,
sir.
no. Wait, sir, I think I did wrong.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Whoever disagree, please take the floor.
I got
and
73, sir.
Eh? You disagree?
Can I tell you why I got 73? Yes,
You got
sir.
73. Alright, tell us.
Well, he took 6 and he gave his sister 2, so in total both of them ate 8 cookies. So that means when he went to the baseball game, well, the volleyball team to give them the cookies, that means that he had 5 left. So when the first player took 1 and the next player took 3, that means the rest of them is just taking 2 more. So the 6th player would take, well, the 4th player would take 7, and the 6th would take 9, the 7th would take 11, and the last one will take 15. So if you add that 2, you get 64. So that means you have 1 left out of the 65.
I agree with that one. I don't work out the particular score, but look at the pattern, guys. Let's look at the pattern. Each one of the player, I'm gonna work out the volleyball player them first, as you can see that. The first player took 1, the second player 3, next one take 5. That means each person is taking 2 extra. So this person will take 7. This person will take 9. This person should take 11. This one will take 13. This one will take 15. So I don't know the total for this. So if you guys could add it up.
That's 64, sir.
64?
Yes, sir.
And remember, 1 was left. So that makes 65. Everybody remember that? They say when the last player, there was 1 left on the platter. And then the brother or sister, combined, they got a total of what? 8?
Yes, sir.
8 and 3, 8 and 5, 13, so 73. I didn't work out the actual number, but I know that this method is correct. So it's 73. It wouldn't be 70. Because each person is taking 2 extra. So you see that, guys?
Yes, sir.
Alright, this one, you don't understand it? Hold on. It's very easy, man. Look here. Look what it says. Wait now, let's look what it says. He said David had a platter of cookies, he ate 6. So him eat 6 and he gave his sister 2. So 8 gone out of it. We don't know the total. We're trying to figure out the total. He has a volleyball team. 8 persons are on the team. So the first person took 1. second person took 3. 3 cookie for themselves, you know. The person here took 5 himself. This person takes 7. This person said, well, if you take 7, I'm going to take 9. This person take 11. Because they said the pattern continues like that. So when this person took 15, 1 was left. So we can add the 1 to the 8, which make 9. And then we add up the total of these numbers. 1 plus 3, that's 4. 4 plus 5, plus that, 16, 19, 28, 49, 49 plus 28, and you continue like that. So she said she got 64. I agree with
Oh,
that. Yeah.
oh, I guess it now.
Everybody else got it.
Said 8.
Guys, these are really
Oh.
challenging questions, you know.
No, sir. No,
Exactly.
You don't get it same way?
I get it now. This is 8 members.
Yeah, man, you got it, but I think somebody was saying they don't.
I realize it.
Alright, tell you what, guys, we're gonna assign. You see the 8 volleyball players, we're just gonna assign a little name to them, just to make it more real. So let us use some 3-letter names, we kind of say, alright? Remember, you know, they gave you the information. They say David had a platter of cookies. He ate 6 of them and then gave his sister 2. So that is a total of 8. He then handed them to the volleyball team of 8. So it's 8 persons on the volleyball team. Listen to the pattern now. The first person to arrive took 1. The second took 3. The third took 5. If you notice, all of these persons took 2 extra than the previous one. So let us say Sam arrived first. And then we have Pam. Jan. Let's say Pet.
Rob.
Let's see Ram. Ken. You got say Ken
Then Pat.
already. And Pat. And all of those. So we're supposed to have 8 persons. 1, 2, 3,
That's
4,
7 in
5,
one.
6, 7.
Was here.
Alright. Give me another name. It name not really
So then
matter.
red cat. K-8. K-A-T, cat.
Alright. So guys, the first person, this is the pattern. The first person took 1. The next person took 3. The next person took 5. How many do you think the next person is gonna take? If the pattern continues, it would be 7, right?
7.
Yeah. That means the next person is gonna take 9. The next person is gonna take 11.
9.
Yeah. That is it.
11.
Yeah. And then you have the total. So,
15.
so the total was 64, she said. Right? But remember, that's not the final. This is just the volleyball team. Remember, 1 was left. So that would make 65. Because you have to consider the one that was left in the plate, you know. So that is now 65. And remember, he ate 2 and he gave his sister 6. Or him eat 6 and give his sister 2. So you have to add the 8 to it now to give the grand total that he originally had, which is 73. Hope it's clear now, guys.
Then there was 1 left, so it just.
Yeah, 1 was left in the plate. So that's why we add the 1 and then we add the 8. All right.
Just I think that's 73.
Yeah. I'm gonna look at 30, guys.
Volleyball player will no longer.
This one is a past paper. The diagram below shows a parallelogram ABCD. Which of the following represent the greatest length? I think I still make you guys go.
See.
Tell you what, guys. for the persons who will be on Friday, we're gonna start this paper on Friday. Just complete. Because I realize you guys are a bit tired. Some persons are really frustrated. See?
Answer C. Yes, sir. C.
So BC, let me highlight. So you are saying BC plus AD.
Yes, sir. Plus
And
A.
then A plus A.
Yes, sir.
You are saying these two are the longest?
B, sir. Yes, sir.
A? I'm going to check AB. What are
Yeah,
they?
those are the longest.
So I'm going to check.
Sir, if it was the least one, it would be
A plus B.
So AB and AD couldn't be that, right? As you have that one there short. Let's check AB plus CD. AB plus CD. That is the shortest. Couldn't be that either. BC, which is from B to C and A to D. That's a legitimate candidate so far. Alright, I'm going to check BD now. So we have BD, which is a diagonal, plus CD. Oh, yeah. You guys are correct. It's actually C.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's C. We could do one more, guys. I know you guys are a bit tired. To be the last one, I promise. Farhan, use the table below
Okay.
to
Yes,
show
sir.
how many goals he scored compared to how many matches he played in 4 seasons. Use it to answer item 31 and 30. What was the average number of games Farhan played for the first 3 seasons? So his statistics. Work out that for me. What was the average number of
For
games
the first 3.
for the first 3 seasons?
Are the 3 seasons here?
30.
20?
60 divided by
If it's
Sir,
60,
I got-
if it's 60, it will be 20 for real. When you add these 3 numbers, what you get?
Sir, 60.
All right.
So I
so
added
it's-
up and I got 60.
Same.
Yeah, so it's definitely D. One more, guys. One more. I know because it said 31 and 32. So we could just answer 32. All right.
Yes, sir. 20.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
sir.
So 20 is correct.
Yeah.
Also,
All right.
Excuse me.
In the 5th season, they played 36 matches. If the trend continues, how many goals did he score? So in the 5th season, he played 36 matches.
1, 2, 3,
What you expect?
Sir, how did they get?
Look at the
What did-
pattern.
Oh, the other. But
Yeah, they added these numbers to give you the first 3 season matches. But I want you guys to think about it now. If he played 36 matches, what you expect? How many goals you expect him to score if he's consistent? What pattern you see for the other 2? So the other 4
Sir, you
seasons.
add 12 for me. You add 12, sir, and then no, you subtract 12, I should say. Subtract 12 to get
Alright,
the 6.
I realize you guys are tired. Normally, persons guys, break down this and tell me what you get. In its lowest term.
50, sir. 50.
He wouldn't score 50 goals, guys. No season he scored more goals than games, so he couldn't be 50.
One,
When you break down 27 over that, what you get?
So 9/6.
sir, 1 whole
It will
and
be 3 over 2. It will be 3 over 2, right? In its lowest,
yeah, that-
all of them is 3 over 2. Look, 9/6. When I break it down, 3 over 2.
3 to
Yeah. So that means when I break down this, it should be 3 over 2. So it has to be 24.
24.
Wait. Oh, the answer them not
Yes,
is-
it's
Confusing, sir. That one's kind of confusing.
Yeah, these are 24. You see, guys, remember, you know, look at them. If I break down 27 over 18, it's 3 over 2. If I break down 9 over 6, 3 over 2. If I break down 24 over 16, 3 over 2. 15 over 10, 3 over 2. 36, we need 24. That's right. Me come at me tired. So that'll be 3 over 2. So it has to be 24 if it continues like that. Alright, so guys, at least we accomplished a lot today in my opinion. So guys, I will try and make you get the recording as soon as possible, alright?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Alright, and get some rest, guys. Sorry to keep you
Yes,
so
sir.
long, guys. That wasn't the intention. Take care. Bye, guys.
Yes, sir.
Bye, sir.
Alright.
Bye, sir.
Alright, guys, take care. Great job. You guys will be ready for exam, man. 100% sure. Just relax and do your thing. I'm not worried. Yeah.
Yes,
Take
sir.
care. See you guys
Yes,
soon, alright?
Yes, sir.
I hope the new persons them join the regular classes so we can continue working together.
Bye, sir.
Yes,
Bye,
sir.
take care.
Bye, sir. I hope everybody.
You definitely will. You definitely will. Alright. Thanks, guys. Pick up your parents for me.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Alright. Kevani.